Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by ensuring your iPhone is updated, then open the App Store and install Microsoft Outlook. Once done, grant calendar and notification permissions so Outlook can sync properly. This is why permissions matter. They allow background fetch and alerts. Next, tap Add Account and enter your email address. You'll be prompted for password and two-factor authentication. Make sure your 2FA device is nearby. This step starts the secure connection between your account and the app. Once signed in, you must choose the correct account type. Pick Exchange or Office 365 for full sync, or a map for basic mail only. Then, enable Mail plus Calendar and Contacts if you want integrated scheduling and address books. This explains why Exchange is preferred, because it supports two-way sync. Make sure you set the sync period and notification style to match your workflow. For example, choose 1 week or 1 month for email sync. Finally, customize focused inbox and swipe actions to speed daily use. To finish, confirm mail, calendar events, and contacts have populated, open each tab and wait for initial sync. If items are missing, pull down to refresh. If errors persist, sign out and re-add the account because re-authentication often clears token issues. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so pushes work. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall Outlook. That clears corrupted caches. One troubleshooting tip: check your account's security alerts and 2FA settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.